Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to become PhotoMath expert. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Becoming a PhotoMath expert is a great way to share your math knowledge while earning money. PhotoMath experts help create high quality step-by-step solutions for various math problems. Here's how to get started. Number 1. Meet the requirements. You should have a strong math background. This could mean being a math student, teacher, or enthusiast with proficiency in topics like algebra, calculus, statistics, and more. PhotoMath often seeks experts who can explain solutions clearly, so good communication skills are essential. Access to a reliable computer and internet connection is usually required. Number 2. Apply to become a PhotoMath expert. Visit the PhotoMath Expert recruitment page to check for open positions. Look for a PhotoMath expert or math expert roles. Complete the online application form providing details about your education and experience in math. Number 3. Pass the skill assessment. PhotoMath will typically require you to take tests that assesses your math knowledge and problem solving abilities. The assessment often includes sample problems to solve and explain, demonstrating your ability to break down complex math concepts into easy to understand steps. Number 4. Complete training if required. If you pass the assessment, you may need to complete training. This helps you to learn the specific guidelines and formatting styles that PhotoMath uses to ensure consistency across solutions. Number 5. Start working on solutions. Once accepted, you'll have the access to math problems within the PhotoMath Expert platforms. You'll solve these problems and write detailed step-by-step solutions that help students understand the process. Solutions are reviewed by quality assurance, QA team members, and feedback is provided to help you improve. Number 6. Get paid. PhotoMath experts are paid based on the number of problems they solve and the quality of their solutions. Payment are usually made monthly, but this can vary by location and role type. So some of the tips are: practice clear explanation. Focus on explaining each step thoroughly so students can follow along easily. Be detail oriented. Double check your solutions for accuracy. Maintain consistency. Follow PhotoMath's formatting and style guidelines to ensure solutions are up to their standards. Becoming a PhotoMath expert can be a rewarding way to enhance your teaching skills, help students learn and earn extra income. So that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.